Good morning.
Nice. Nicely. Nice. Luna!
Hello.
Hello, how are you? My name's Veronica. Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry, that was really rude. How you let him do that to me?
No, I didn't.
I don't even know who you are, man.
No, I'm sorry. See,
I'm not these kind of dogs, but like.
no, he's super.
I love these kind of dogs, but it's okay. You know what? It's have a nice.
Okay, cool. Come on, Zeke.
I got it!
Oh, Tim just fell over, Marty. How embarrassing.
Listen to the sister good
I think they're both going to be in bed.
What the fuck?
You can tidy down there. Ah! Don't forget that cardboard.
Hey, boy! Right there.
It was just a vegetable. Oh shit.
That's just nasty. They doorbell just let out a fart on the jump. I'm sitting there. Hey, bro, that's pathetic, bro.
Are you living there?
Yeah, which has
Okay,
a party?
we are from Munster Council.
Yeah.
We got a noise complaint.
Right,
Turn it down, yeah?
Yeah, well, we're going to turn it down now, and that's fine. We're going to shut it off now.
You know what's the time?
Yeah.
Turn that music down. Now. I think you better. I think you better, mate. For your own safety. Okay, we'll see.
Hey! Don't be fucking doing that. Fuck off! Fucking swats. Fucking do one. Hey! Don't get lippy, Doc, because I'll come and fucking slap you, you little bastard. Hey! Me! All of you! I don't give a fuck. Tell them to fuck off now. Tell them! I don't give a fuck who they are.
Hey? We can do this now if you want, you know, mate. We can do this now. We can do this now. Right now. You want to do it now? I don't give a fuck. You want to do it now?
Hi.
Hello. I'm sitting at the rubbish here. I'm collecting rubbish. You want to take the rubbish?
If you want to take it.
But no free. I'm not take free.
Oh, right, okay. No, it's alright. I'll sort it out anyway.
Anybody's not take free. What you say?
Oh, it's worth an ask, isn't it? Give me attitude.
Where you going, girl? Girl, where you going, girl?
Oh, shit. One of the balloons has come off. Fucking hell. Go on.
Comes him home. What are you saying? You okay? I'm good. Had a brilliant birthday. I'm sober, as you can tell, and I'm living life. I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna cook a nice food. I'm gonna live life. What a feeling. I can smell fresh air.
Smells so nice. Smells incredible.
Help is on the way, dear!
Oh, Jesus. Jesus, ouch. Ah, balls.
Oh, you bastard, you. Who the fuck did that get on the door? Go and get him. Big fucking slug. Fuck.
Oh my fuck, come and see this. Come and see the size of this.
Fucking hell.
Shit, Nina.
Oh, ow.
Fucking sassy bitch for it.
Oh, a dollar!
Hey, come here!
Hey, you want to sell that?
Come here! That looks like my bike!
Hey, you want to sell that?
Where'd you get that bike from? Huh? My bike. Where'd you get that bike from?
From the hood, man. Shit clean.
You got it from the hood!
From the hood, Phil.
Hey, legacy on the side and shit. You want to sell that?
Man, you got my bike!
It's not even mine.
Who sold you that bike?
Huh? It's not even mine, no.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, Jeremy,